With the loadable package of styles, you can create a package that has styles in it for specific purposes. There are basically packages that can be loaded or detached on demand. Style packages are typically created by third parties, or you can create your own. For example, when designing a wooden frame structure, you can load your corresponding package, work with its content, and then you can unload it when you are working with different building types. Using this feature, you can also create your office's standard style package. When ARCHLine.XP starts, it has some built-in factory styles. It is represented by their icon, an orange envelope. Every element creating command has a few styles which appear at the start of each command. If I start a column command, it is seen that no style package is loaded at the moment. Now I go to the Options dialog, Open and Save tab, and type in the word wood to the blank space in the Loadable Package of Styles row. This is a package of style I have created previously. To load its content, the program has to be restarted. After the restart, if I start the column command again, 3 new styles appear in the Properties toolbar. Their icon is 3 circles. Let's create another package of style. Open the Options dialog, Open and Save tab, and type in the word steel to the place of the word wood in the Loadable Package of Styles row. If you don't want to use any package of style, just simply leave the space blank. Now restart the program again. After restart, I create 2 new columns. I change their material to steel and save both of them into the style library. Their icon represents that these styles are only available in this project. I close the dialog and start the column command again. I click on my newly created styles with right mouse button and select the Move to Package of Styles Steel option from the appearing menu. Their icon is changed to the 3 circles. From now on, this package of style can also be loaded or detached on demand.